Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Altima window motor. First, gather your tools, including screwdrivers, wrenches, and a trim removal tool. Safety is paramount, so disconnect your car's battery before starting. Then, carefully remove the door panel to expose the window assembly. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Let's get started. Now that the door panel is off, gently peel back the plastic moisture barrier. This will give you a clear view of the window motor and its connections. Next, carefully unplug the electrical connector from the old motor. Finally, use a wrench to unbolt the motor from the window regulator assembly. Be sure to keep track of any screws or bolts you remove. With the old motor out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new window motor with the regulator assembly and bolt it into place. Ensure all connections are snug. Then, reconnect the electrical plug to the new motor. Before putting everything back together, reconnect the battery and test the window's operation. Make sure it moves smoothly up and down. Almost done. Now, carefully reattach the plastic moisture barrier, ensuring it's sealed properly. Then, reinstall the door panel, making sure all clips and screws are securely fastened. Give the window one last test to confirm everything works perfectly. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.